Hi learners, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will hands-on download and install first IDE, which is CodeBlock. For that purpose, I just need to type CodeBlock in search bar and CodeBlock is on your screen. Actually, the CodeBlock is a free open source cross-platform IDE that supports multiple compilers including GCC, Clang and Visual C++. It is originally developed by C++ using AJAX widgets as the GUI toolkit. So let's just see how to download and install the CodeBlock. Firstly, I just open the CodeBlock website, or you just simply go to the shortened link of the download here. As I told you that CodeBlock is an open source cross-platform, free for C or C++. I just go to the download the source code. If you download the source code for your Linux operating system, as I just told you that CodeBlock is the open source software. So you just simply download the source code if you want to update this software, or if you want to find the bugs and create the patches, or you want to connect to the community. This is the beneficial for you. Here, I just download the binary release because we just do not need this source code. If you are, so simply go to that and download the CentOS version or the CodeBlock tar.xz file. Here you can find the documentation of this CodeBlock. I just go to the binary release, and here I am using the Windows operating system. So that purpose, I just download the latest version of the CodeBlock, which is 17.12, which is released on 2017. Here I just click on SourceForge and your download will be start shortly in 2 seconds. So that will simply download this CodeBlock. If you are using the Linux operating system or Fedora, or you are using any other like CentOS operating system or Mac OS, that is available in all versions. Here, as you can see, that will go automatically to this link, and after this link, that CodeBlock is downloading. I just already download and install this software. Let's just see how this CodeBlock works. I just open the CodeBlock. The installation of the CodeBlock is very simple. You just simply go to the next, and at the last, you just finish this CodeBlock. My CodeBlock is open here. First of all, on your menu bar, you just find File, Edit, View, Search, Project, Build, Debug, Fortin, WXSmith, Tool, Tools Plus, Plugins, DoxyBlocks, Settings, and Help. If you want to create the new file, so simply create the empty file here. If you want to add the new project, click on the project. Or if you want to add the new class, simply click the class. This will by default take the extension of the class, project, and the empty file. If you want to create the new file, or if you want to open the new file, so simply go to the open. Or if you want to import the project, simply import the project from these studios or these IDEs. For saving the file, simply click Save File. Then I just go to the Edit. So undo, redo, clear, changes history, cut, copy, and paste. So these all menus are available here. Then I just go to the view. So view means this is the screen of the view. So all views are available here. Then search. If you want to find any number or any keyword into your code, simply go to the search. Then project setting right here. This build means if you write the code here, simply build or run this code from here, or clean your project from here. Then debug, so simply debugging options are available here. Fortin, so Fortin means here all values of the fortrands are available here to generate. Make files means to generate the keys to the file, or here you can simply change the cases of that, or formatting the independent classes or independent files. So simply you just go to the fortran. So WX Smith is WX GUI panel, then tool for the configurations tool, and the tools for the output toggle windows and the close inactive tools pages. Then if you want to add any plugin, so plugin options are available here. Then doxy blocks are available here, and the setting and the help. This is simply the overview of the code block what I gave you. Hope you understand now.